Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Moody and I am back with another video. If you are new here, then go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you have not yet. And if you don't have the little bell, if it ain't got the little circle thing around, the little parentheses or whatever it is, go ahead and click it so that you're notified every time I post a video, because y'all know that my schedule be kind of off and I don't really be posting like on a specific day. You know, I just be posting sometimes, so you know, cut that on so you know I post. So today, as you know, we are doing a look with the ITSMYRAYERAYE and BH Cosmetics collab. Okay, if you guys want to see how I created this look, if you guys want to see my first impressions and my review, then just keep watching. Check out the description box to see everything else that I used on my face, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh my gosh, y'all don't even understand how excited I am. ITSMYRAYERAYE. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the cute old box it comes in. ITSMYRAYERAYE. It has, you know, a little sneak peek on the back there. So we're just going to take it out. Yes. Yes. And this thing is perfect for like travel because look. Oh, look. Can we pause? Can we take a minute? Can we take a minute for the contour shade? Okay. Thank you, girl. Thank you. Salute, salute. Anyways, okay, so we got 3 highlighters on the top row, and then we have like contour shades. This kind of looks like a yellow, kind of banana, you know how contour palettes have that little color in there. And then another contour shade, or you know, this might be a contour for somebody. Ain't no contour for me, obviously. But don't let me not blind y'all. I don't want to blind nobody. Wait a minute. Let me go. Let me go take the thing off. Oh, I am so happy. If y'all don't know, this palette is now available at Ulta or Ulta website. Look, oh look at me. Hey girl. So she has a mirror though. She put a mirror on the palette. Look at all the beautiful. Yes! Yes! So not only did I get the eyeshadow highlight and contour palette, but I also got the makeup brushes. Y'all know I gotta support my girl. I'm just so happy for her. So it's a 9-piece brush set. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're all individually wrapped. They have ITSMYRAYERAYE on them, a number, and then BH Cosmetics on the back. Also on the back of the box, it does have like the name of the brushes and how you can use them. It's a powder brush, dual blush and bronzer brush, tapered contour brush, highlight brush, dual blending and highlighting brush, fluffy blending brush, smudge shadow brush, a large shadow brush, and a smudge liner brush. Okay, we're gonna try to use them all actually, or as much as we can, I guess. Let's just like, oh, and I got the lip gloss. I actually meant to get the liquid lipstick, but you know, whatever. So let's get started. So before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye and let it bake, just in case we got some fallout. So what I'm gonna do first is take the ITSMYRAYERAYE number 6 brush. I'm gonna go in with the color Spice and put that in my transition area. Oh, I really didn't even have to pick up a lot. aloe vera on the palette. I'm gonna put that all over. Now let me really dig into it. Yes, you better pick up. Okay. Okay, Spice, do your thing then. I'm gonna keep the number 6 and I'm gonna go in with Sunset next, and I'm gonna pop that right in the crease, right under the transition, and it's obviously you want them to blend together, so, but I'm just gonna focus it. Girl, look at this. This is like a really good spring palette too, you know, for those of you who want to stay in season with your eyeshadow. Some of us don't really care, but and see how it just intensifies that spice a little bit. We're just going to intensify the spice. I'm not very good at explaining what's going on. We're just going to do it. Now I'm going to carve out my eyelid like I typically do. I'm going to go back in with Sunset that we put in the crease and put that on the outer portion of my lid. Yes. Oh. Girl. 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 Okay. Okay, BH. And ITSMYRAYERAYE. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with the number 8 brush, which is a large shadow brush, and I'm gonna take the color Friday right here and put that on my lid. Go back in with my number 6 brush, and I'm gonna pick up Connie, which is this like darker purple. Just a little depth. A little depth. Little depth. I'm gonna put that Connie on my bottom lash line too. And then I'm gonna take Sunset and I'm gonna sweep it down there too. Now I'm gonna take the number 9 brush and take the color, let's go ahead and do Angel. Let's do Angel right there. We ain't gonna be scared. We're gonna do Angel. We're gonna pop her right in the tear ducts. Ooh, and Angel does not come off like powder. Look at that gold tint. Okay, Angel, you better surprise us. And now I'm going to sweep Black Beauty, which is the black shade. I'm going to sweep it across my lash line, and then I'm going to put on my eyelashes. Okay, so I got my eyeliner on, well, my powder eyeliner, my lashes, and they, for some reason, my lashes, well, they're 2 different lashes. I don't know if y'all see that, but it's kind of weird. I don't know. They're the same, but whatever. So I'm going to use the number 1. Yeah, I'm going to use the number 1 brush to wipe away all the powder things. I'm actually going to take the same brush and I'm going to go in with Chai, which is that yellow shade I was telling y'all about. And I'm just going to like set my stuff somewhere. Let's see what that does. I didn't need to pick up as much as I did. Okay. Before I highlight and contour, I'm just gonna set my face with my Maui Badescu Rose Water so that like all my like bacon and whatnot just melts right on in. Okay. So now I'm going to take the number 3 tapered contour brush, and I'm going to go in with Brownie Bite. Oh. Nice. Contour. We are contour. Let me add a little bit more. Just a little bit. Not much. I like for my forehead to be more bronzed than contoured, I guess you could say. I don't like a strong nose contour, just like a little shadow. Now I'm gonna take the number 4 brush, which is the highlighting brush, and we're gonna go in with Radiant. How cute! Radiant is the name of the shade that we're gonna go in. Actually, I wanna swatch all 3 of them for you right quick. We're gonna swatch Moonlight. That's Moonlight. Oh, oh my god. Hold on. Girl, it's gold. It ain't even coming off white. Y'all can't even watch. Radiance and French Toast. Girl, I'm gonna do it like this. This is a bad idea. Do y'all see? Bad swatch. It's a bad swatch, but these are gorgeous. So yeah, we're definitely gonna go in with Radiant. Radiant is like this rose gold type color, and then French Toast is like a bronze, nice bronze shade, and then that Moonlight is such like a pretty gold. Yes. So I'm gonna take Radiant on my number 4 brush, and we're just gonna pop that onto the cheekbones. We're just gonna pop it on. Oh my. Yes, ma'am. Oh, y'all can see it. Oh my gosh. I really love this highlighter. And I'm actually gonna go in with Moonlight and put it on top of that Radiance. You better be blinging. Better be gold, hunty. Oh my god. French Toast is such a pretty brow bone shade. I don't like to be too like gold on my brows as far as like the highlights, so I usually don't do it, but hunty, French Toast ain't come to play. French Toast ain't come to play with y'all. Let me put this gloss on so I can be through because she's showing out. So now I'm gonna take the gloss. It's in the color Rosy Ray. And this is what it looks like. Oh. Okay. Okay. You better come through, lip gloss. Oh my gosh. I usually cannot wear a lip gloss by itself, which I didn't, but other than the liner, I usually need a lipstick. But look at this gloss. This is crazy, okay? This is straight up crazy. I mean, look though. Like, look though. So y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoy this palette. I enjoy the brushes. I enjoy this freaking lip gloss. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. Girl, if you watching this video, I'm so proud, y'all. The palette is only $22. I don't know if I mentioned that, but the palette's only $22, which is a great price for eyeshadow and highlight and contour type palette, and for it to be as good quality as it is. Y'all see this look, y'all see this glow, y'all see it all. To me, it's worth it, you guys. The brushes I think were $25, $22.50 or something like that. but definitely the palette, I'm really so happy for ITSMYRAYERAYE. I'm glad that she collabed with BH Cosmetics, because I started watching ITSMYRAYERAYE because I started off doing makeup, and obviously I was starting off doing like affordable brands. So the fact that she collabed with an affordable company is just really awesome. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy for her. Really and truly. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then leave me some love down below. Don't forget to like, and if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe today, and I will see you guys in my next video.